children, welcome back to our maths period. Today we will do the revision of first chapter number system. Yes, do you know the portion of your first semester exam? The portion is first chapter number system, second chapter polynomial and fourth chapter linear equation in two variable, and this is only of algebra part. The geometry portion, geometry miss will explain you. And it is already given in portion paper also. Okay, so let us start with the revision. Now, before the revision, let me explain you about the paper pattern. Yes, the paper pattern will be similar as you have done for your unit test. Yes, so the first question is select the correct option from the given alternative. Second, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct alternative. Question number 3. Solve the following in rough and choose the correct option. Fourth, diagram based questions. Fifth one is box type question. Now first three questions you are aware of that because you have already completed your unit test, and in unit test we have asked such type of questions. Now only question number 4 and question number 5 is little bit different, but I will take an example in revision so that you will come to know which type of questions it will be. Again, as you had done for your unit test, these all the questions will be with option. You have to just click the correct option. But in rough, you have to solve those sums, get the answer and then take the correct option. Okay, no need to type anything in your maths paper. So, let us start with the first part. Now, question number 1 is select the correct option from the given alternative or fill in the blanks. So I will combine these both the question number 1 and 2 over here, and let us see few examples as a revision for your first chapter. So see the first question. Rational number 3 upon 40 is equal to dash. So 4 options are given. By seeing the sum you can't give the answer, so you have to do the rough work. So here the given question is rational number is given in a fraction form. You have to convert it into decimal. So how to convert, do you remember? Yes. So you will divide the numerator by denominator and get the answer. So let us see here. I will show you the rough work also. Divide the number 3 by 40. We are not able to divide, so take the 0 and decimal point. Put the 0 over here. Can we divide the number 30 by 40 now? Not possible again. So take one more 0 and add one more 0 for divisor. Now 4 7s are 28. This is all is rough work. Then take 2 0 and take one more 0. Now 4 5s are 20, so that 40 into 5 will become 200. So what will be your answer? Your answer is 0.075. Can you see your correct option in your all alternatives? Yes. So this is nothing but your correct option. 0.075. Yes. Can we start with the next sum now? Second sum. A rational number between 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 are rational numbers, or we can say whole number also. But in between that, which rational number will lie? So how to identify this? So we will go in a reverse way. We will see the options. Each option convert it into decimal form and check which number will lie in between 3 and 4. Now 3 upon 4. So if 3 upon 4 is a number, divide the number 3 by 4. Can you do it orally? Can we divide the number 3 by 4? Not possible. So 0.47s are 28. Remain 2 4 5s are 20. Is it possible 0.75 in between 3 and 4? No. So first option is wrong. Second one is 4 by 3. Now divide 3 1s are 3. Remain 1, 3 3s are, then if you take 0 it will be 3 3s are 9, 3 with, that is recurring form. Again 1.333. Is it possible? Is it that number is lying between 3 and 4? No. So the second option is also wrong. See the third option, 7 by 2. 2 3s are 6. Remain 1. Take the decimal point and 2 5s are 10. Is it correct? 3.5. Yes, is 3.5 lie between 3 and 4? Exactly correct. So our 7 by 2 option is correct. So we can write it here as a 7 by 2 is a correct option. Okay, see the next sum. Which one of the following is an irrational number? We have to check an irrational number. So if you want, you can check it, or you can do it in a reverse way. See which one is a rational number, so that you will get the other one, the remaining one is a irrational number. Now how you will find? Now you can see root 4. What is a root 4 value? 2. Square root of 4 is 2. What is the square root of 100? Square root of 100 is 10. Is the root 8 is a perfect square number? No. Then minus square root of 0.64. So it will become minus, as it is 0.8 is a square root. So for option A, C and D, we are getting a square root of, because those numbers are perfect square numbers, and we are getting those numbers as rational numbers. So the option B is an irrational number. Correct? So this is our correct option. Is it clear? So in exam, you do the rough work in your rough book and take the correct option. Just I will give you once again the correct option. For first one, the option is 0.075, correct option. For second is 7 by 2, and for the third one is 3 root 8 is a correct option. So note down this. Similar type of questions can be asked in your exam. Now continue with the next question. The fourth one is the 4 whole 1 by 2 is in the decimal form is what? It is very simple. If you think logically, any students, you can give the answer orally also. Yes, or with the calculation. First I will explain you with the calculation, and then I will give you the hint how you can find it orally. Okay. Now 4 whole 1 by 2. Correct. So can we convert it into the mixed fraction? It is given in the mixed fraction. Can we convert it into the improper fraction? Yes, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9 by 2. Now divide the number 9 by 2. 2 4s are 8. Remain 1. Take a 0. 2 5s are 10. So what is your answer? 4.5. So your correct option is nothing but 4.5. Now this is with the calculation. Without calculation, can you find out? See here, it is very simple. 4 whole 1 upon 2. What is about 1 by 2? 1 by 2 is nothing but half. Half is nothing but in decimal point is what? 0.5. So it is nothing but 4.5. Orally also you can give the answer. Just think logically. You can get a hint and you can solve it very easily also. Okay. See the next sum. A rational number between 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. Yes, it is similar to the second one, but the numbers are given in the fraction and both the fractions are different denominators. Yes, both the fractions are having different denominators. In that case, how you will do? You can do one thing. Either you make the denominator same and convert it as per our given denominators options. Otherwise, what we will do? We will convert the 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 into decimal first, and then check which of the number can lie in between those two. So 1 by 2 is very simple. Can you tell me what will be the decimal form of 1 by 2? It is nothing but 0.5, half. Then what about 3 by 4? 4 zeros are, so 0, then 30, 4 sevens are 28, remain 2. So 4 5s are 20. So we want to check a number which is between 0.5 and 0.75. Correct? So now start with the 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5. Can we divide? No. Point. Then it will become 20. 5 4s are 20. Is it possible 0.4 is less than 0.5? So first option is wrong. Second is 5 by 8. So it is again 0.50 it will become. So what will be 8? 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48.6. Yes, remain 20. 8 2s are 16 and then 5. Is it correct? So now you can see the 0.6. Is the 0.6 lie between 0.5 and 0.75? Correct. So our second option is correct. No need to check the third and fourth. If you want, you check it. Definitely you will not get the correct option. Okay. So our option is here 5 by 8. Now this next one, question number 6. 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. Do you know which identity formula we have to apply over here? Yes, a plus b into a minus b. So what is the formula? A plus b into a minus b as a square minus b square. So according to that, this is a square minus b square. According to that, it will become as what? 3 plus 3 into 3 minus 3. The first term square. 3 square minus root 3 square. So it will become 3 square is 9 minus 3 equal to 6. So we got the correct option as what? Number 6. Is it correct? Yes. So you have to do this calculation in rough and then click the correct option. The next one. On rationalizing the denominator of 1 upon root 7, we get what we get the option as. Here 4 options are given. How to rationalize the denominator? If only one value is given, do you remember? Yes, what we will take? 1 upon root 7, we will multiply numerator and denominator by root 7 again. So your numerator will be root 7. Denominator root 7 into root 7 is root 7 square. So it is 7. So which is your correct option over here? Root 7 by 7. Can you see here? Yes. So this is nothing but your correct option. Just let me give you again all the correct answers once again. Yes. So first option is first question, that is 4 whole 1 by 2 is 4.5, B option. For the second one, 5 by 8 is a correct answer. Then 6 is a correct option, and then root 7 upon 7 is a correct option. Correct? So you solve again, try the few sums similarly. Yes, as a practice. Now let us start with the next one. Now, which of the following is true? So here which of the following statement is true? Here you can consider the word as statement is true. Okay. So every whole number is a natural number. Every integer is a rational number. Every rational number is an integer. And every integer is a whole number. Yes. So do you remember I have explained you with the circles? Just let me explain you once again that yes, here see here, the innermost is natural number, then whole number, then integers, and then rational numbers. Correct? So do you remember how to remember the statement, which statement is true? Always from the innermost to the outermost statement is true. Correct? So that means every natural number is a whole number, every whole number is an integer, every integer is a rational number. Now look at our options. Every whole number is a natural number. It is in a reverse way. Is the statement true? No. Second, every integer number is a rational number. Integer to rational. correct from inner to the outer circle. So second option is correct. If you want, you can see the C and D option also. Every rational number is an integer. Not possible. Every integer is a whole number. Not possible. So what is your correct option in this case? Second option is your correct. Every integer is a rational number. Now, see the next one. If we add two irrational numbers, the resulting number is dash. So here we can put it as dash. What will be a resulting number? Now for an example, I will take it an example here as 2 root 5 plus second irrational number is 3 root 5. So how we will add two irrational numbers? We will just add these two whole numbers as 5 and root 5 we will keep it as it is. Do you remember this concept? Yes. Therefore the resulting answer is nothing but what? It is a irrational number only. So your second option is correct. The next one here, which of the following is a rational number? Now we have to check which one is a rational number. Yes, so again we can do it in a reverse way. We will find out the irrational number. The remaining one is a rational. See the last option, root 7. Yes, if in a root form, if the number is not a perfect square number, those all are irrational. So second one is irrational. Root 7 is irrational. Similarly, root 5 is also irrational. What about 0.134? 134, no repetition, no recurring, and with the non-terminating. Therefore, this is also irrational. So, what is your left one? It is 0.25 is a rational number. This is your correct option. So, once again, I will give you all the answers. Here, the second answer is, second one is correct. Then again in the second one, it is a what? An irrational number. And for the third one, you can see about 0.5 is your correct option. I hope these type of questions are clear to all of you. Yes, from this chapter, these are the few examples I have taken as a revision. Similar type of questions can be asked in your exam. Okay, now let us see the next type of questions. Yes, see, solve the following in rough and choose the correct option. Okay, here actually you can't do it orally. Here we have to solve and check. Now here the first question is what? 2 plus root 3 into 3 plus root 3. I will show you with the calculation which you are doing as a rough work, not in your paper. This is just a rough work. Okay. So what will be the 2 into, we will multiply 2 plus root 3 into 3 plus root 3. So 2 multiply by second bracket, that is 3 plus root 3 plus root 3, second bracket again 3 plus root 3 multiply. So 2 3s are 6. 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3. Correct? Then root 3 into 3 is 3 root 3. Plus root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 6 plus 3 will become as 9. Now 2 plus root 3 and 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 3 root 3 will be what? It is 5 root 3. So can we add further? No. So this is your final answer. Yes, again this calculation will not be shown in your paper. This is a rough work. Yes, but in exam what they will give you? They will give you the options. You have to click the correct option. What will be your correct option? Yes, your correct option is 9 plus 5 root 3. Please don't add 9 plus 5 as 14 and write it as a C option. That is wrong. Okay. So your answer is 9 plus 5 root 3. Let us see the next sum. The next question is rationalize the denominator. What is the question given? As 2 plus root 3 minus root 5. You remember how to rationalize this type of questions where the two root values are given in the denominator? Yes, we will take the conjugate of that and multiply to the numerator and denominator. So let us see the rough work now. That is 2 upon root 3 minus root 5, and the conjugate of root 3 minus root 5 is what? Root 3 plus root 5 upon root 3 plus root 5. Yes, so it will become 2 in the bracket root 3 plus root 5 upon, now root 3 minus root 5 into root 3 plus root 5, we will apply a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So it will become root 3 square minus root 5 square. So which is equal to 2 into root 3 plus root 5 upon root 3 square is 3 minus root 5 square is 5. So which is equal to what? 3 in the bracket root 3 plus root 5 upon, here it is 2. 2 into root 3 plus root 5 upon 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So the 2 and 2 will get cancelled, but the denominator minus 1 is left. That we will take it in the numerator and it will become as what? Minus square root of root 3. So bracket is compulsory, or if you take, you can take the minus inside also. Minus in the bracket root 3 plus root 5. Now let us check the option. Which one is correct? Yes, these are the option. Which one is your correct option in that case? Yes, our B option is correct. That is minus in the bracket root 3 plus root 5. Yes, in exam they will give you only the question within the option. Whatever I have shown you the calculation, that part you have to do it in your rough book. See the next sum. Yes, find the value of a if 3 upon root 5 is equal to a root 5. Now this is a different type of question. Now can you see 3 upon root 5? Root 5 is in denominator, but equal to what? A into root 5, where root 5 is in numerator. That means what we have to do? We have to rationalize the denominator of left hand side. So let us try then. It will become as what? 3 upon root 5 is given. So multiply numerator and denominator by root 5. Keep the right hand side as it is, or keep it as it is now, a root 5. Correct? So 3 root 5 upon root 5 into root 5 is 5 equal to a root 5. Just compare your left hand side and right hand side. Yes, so your root 5 and root 5 as it is. If you compare, what will be your a value? Yes, a will become as 3 upon 5 by comparing left hand side to right hand side. So a will become as a 3 upon 5. Now let us check the options. The options are given 3 root 5, 3 upon 5, 5 by 3. See here, on right hand side root 5 is already given. So you don't take it root 5 as an answer. We will take only the number which is multiplied to root 5. So our option is 3 upon 5. Express 2.7 bar in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. How to solve? Yes, we will consider the given number as first x. So x is equal to 2.7 bar. What is our next step? Multiply both the side by 10. Why by 10? Because the bar is given to only one digit. So it will become 10 into 2.777 and so on. So the 10x will become as what? 27.77 and so on. Yes, so this step we will consider as step 1. This is your step 2. What we will do? Step 2 minus step 1. So 10x minus x is 9x. Now 27 minus 2 is 25 and 0.7 everything will get cancelled. Yes, I am doing it in a short. If you want, you do it with few more steps. So x will become as 25 by 9. Yes, now let us see the options. The options are given here 2.9, 2 upon 9 and 25 by 9. So what is your correct option? Yes, 25 by 9 is nothing but your correct answer. Yes, now let us see the next sum. Yeah, solve the following. Now here I have given few sums as a revision for you. These all the sums, do it as a in your rough book. Yes, all the similar type of sums whatever I have done just now. Solve it in your book. Now we will start with the next type of questions. Yes, the next type here is nothing but a diagram based question. Now, do you remember this diagram I have taken when I taught you this chapter? Yes, the relation between all the types of numbers. They will give you this diagram and they will ask you few questions on that. Which type of questions? See here. State whether the following statements are true. Yeah, every natural number is a whole number. True or false? Yes. So here we have to give the answer whether the statement is true or false. Do you remember what I told you? Always the statement from inner to out, innermost circle to the outermost circle, it is always correct. Yes. So according to that you have to find out the correct option, whether the statement is true or false. Every natural number is a whole number. The statement is true. Second, every integer is a whole number. No integer is a bigger group. So statement is false. And every rational number is a whole number. Again, every is a whole number. Is it possible? No. So it is false. So this type of questions can be asked as a diagram based questions. Okay. So this is a one of the example. Now let us see the next box type of questions. Yes, what is the meaning of box type of question? They will give you the example with all the steps, but in between some steps or some numbers are missing. There they will give you either box or as a fill in the blank, and they will give you the option also. So which number will come over there, that you have to identify, and just no need to write the answer in a box, just you have to click the correct option. Now 0.6, this is again the same as what? It is the same question as express the given number in a P by Q form. Correct? So it is the 0.6 bar. So 0.6 bar can be written as what? 0.666 and so on. Correct? So as the bar is given to one digit, what we will do? We'll multiply both the side by 10. So if you multiply the first step by 10, what you will get? 0.666 multiplied by 10. Is it 66.666 or 6.666? Yeah, your answer will be 6.666 and so on. Now what is your next step? Step 2 minus step 1. 10x minus x is 6.666 minus 0.666. Yes, so now if you subtract, what will be your answer? Your answer is 0.6 or 6. Yes, your answer is 6. So now 9x is equal to 6. Then what will be your x value? Yes, it should be 6 upon 9. But the options are given as 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. So, but what about 6 upon 9? If you reduce it, 2 3s are 6. Sorry, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So option is 2 by 3. Is it correct? So this type of box type of questions can be asked in the exam. It will be very easy. If you are comfortable with all the concepts, then the paper will be very easy. The next period we will do the revision of second chapter, that is polynomial. Okay, see you then.